Marami akong binagsak muna.
Daming irate na customer, sinisigawan talaga po.
What's up, Meta Peeps? For this episode of our ambush interview, dinayo natin ang BGC Taguig para makipagkwentuhan sa ating mga call center agents.
At para malaman na rin natin yung mga pinagdaanan nila during their application process. Kaya tara,
Makichika na tayo sa kanila.
Anong account yung hawak mo?
Auto loan, car loan,
Local account.
Financial account.
social media account.
Mahirap ba yung account na to?
Yes, mahirap siya kasi outbound call to. So, tatawagan mo si customer para mag-collect na monthly payment nila. So, normally, wala pang pambayad. So, medyo mahirap kasi at the same time, kailangan mag-solicit ka ng survey.
Sakto lang, okay naman din.
Mahirap po siya kasi more on mga balances. Daming irate na customer, sinisigawan talaga po.
Based on my experience, hindi naman po masyado. Chill lang din po.
Same ba sa inyo?
Ang sakto lang. Medyo. Depende sa hawakan ng case.
Ano yung madalas na concern ni customer under dun sa account mo?
Most of the time, tumatawag sila para magbayad ng monthly payment nila or magre-request sila ng extension or magsiskip sila ng payment monthly.
About their subscriptions lang naman.
Yeah, normally yung mga charges, interest, membership fees, yun naman normally.
Nakailang try ka na sa pag-a-apply bago ka ma-hire as call center agent?
Pang-lima ko to na call center company.
3 times.
Ito lang yung in-applyan ko from my previous. I work as a barista po kasi. And then, I'm really curious to apply for a BPO. Then, ito, one take lang.
Wow!
First try.
Marami akong binagsak muna.
First application ko to, then first job din.
So ilang assessment yung dinaanan mo before ka mag-training?
Isang assessment.
2.
2 assessments yun. Then, initial interview, second interview, then final.
4.
Isa lang, 3.
Magkano yung allowance during training?
7,000.
Hindi ko computado kung magkano eh.
Pero something like idea lang.
1,000 or 1,500.
For 15.5, starting ko yun. Pero I was promoted to become a quality assurance.
Wow! So first time natin dito sa BPO industry, you got promoted agad, right? So ang galing. Ang galing talaga ni sir.
4K?
6.
Gaano katagal yung naging training mo?
3 months.
1 month.
3 months, I guess. Kasi ano siya, ang nangyaring process is for phase 1, we tackle for mga light concerns, then we take calls. Then for phase 2, another concerns, then calls ulit. Then phase 3, yun, training, then calls ulit. Certification, then endorse na sa production.
1 week lang po yung sa akin.
Usually naman, applying in the BPO industry, palaging may assessment, diba? So ano yung assessment na tinake mo?
More on communication skills and situational question. Kung paano mo i-handle yung situation ng customer, parang gano'n.
About lang naman, English communication lang naman. Kung paano ako makipag-usap in English.
Okay naman yung assessment.
Okay naman.
More on your communication skill and also more on how you communicate to customers. Ayun naman yung laging chine-check.
In-engage nila yung communication skills mo, right?
And typing.
Kamusta naman yung initial interview mo?
Okay lang, nakakaba kasi more on English, bawal kasi yung Tagalog po.
And that's it for our BGC Ambush interview. Where else do you want us to visit next?
You can suggest by leaving a comment ng mga lugar na gusto niyo pa naming puntahan for our ambush interview.
Thanks for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!